Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In today's video, we will read a text file and count and display all the words which has less than 4 characters. First we will define one function in which we will read the file and split the file into words. Then we will count the length of the word, and if it is less than 4 then we will increment the counter. The name of the function is display less 4 characters. First we have to open the file in read mode. For that we have to write f is equal to open, within bracket we have to write the name of the source file, which is sample.txt, and we want to read from the file. For that we have to open in read mode. Data is equal to f.read will read the file. Word is equal to data.split will split the file into words. A read function will give a string and split function will give a list. Now we can loop through the list. For I in word, if len word less than 4, print I, and /t. Here it will check the length of the words. If it is less than 4, then it will print them. Whenever we need a word from a file, we should use split function, which will split the file to words. To give some extra space between words, we are using /t. After reading from the file, the last work is we should close the file. For that we have to write f.close. Now we have to call the function. To call the function, I am simply copying the function name and pasting it. To calculate the number of words less than 4 characters, now we can initialize a counter, and within the if loop we can increment it. To initialize counter, we have to write count is equal to 0. Inside if loop we have to write count is equal to count plus 1, and outside for loop, to print the number of words we have to write print total words less than 4 characters, count. We can have a /n character in print statement, so that we will get the total number of characters in the next line. Now we'll execute the code. You can see we got all the words which has less than 4 characters, and also there are 17 words which has less than 4 characters. To get all the words that has greater than 4 characters, we can write if length I greater than 4, then we will get all the words that has length greater than 4, and here the count is 22. In exam, if this type of questions will come, you can change the length according to the requirement. Hope this video is beneficial to you. Thanks for watching.